and thank you for coming so early to this meetup. As you know, our regular timing is at 1 p.m. on Saturdays, but today it just happened that there are two events today, both focusing on Android, and therefore we have to share the venue, so we decided to go early today so that we can know something about the new features of Android. And if any of you are going to stay back, there is a second event at 1 p.m. that's by Code Android. It's a job matching event for senior Android developers, I believe. But we have a member from Code Android, Ichi. Just show your hand up. So in case you guys want to know more details, you can talk to him during this meetup and see whether you're interested or rather eligible for this job matching, right? I believe it's for experienced programmers on Android platform. Now, today's meetup, we have two speakers, right? And I see some familiar faces here. There are many people new. My name is Chris. I'm from Singapore GTEC, one of the members of the core team organizing events for you. This is our first meetup for 2011, and this is our 8th meetup since we started on the end August of 2009, right? So we are one of the most active GTEC groups worldwide. Now, we have two speakers for today. We have a speaker from Europe, so he is Adam, sitting right here. So he is on holiday around in Singapore. So we took this opportunity to organize. So Adam is a senior Java developer and also an active member of the Stockholm GTEC. So if any of you have visited Sweden or Stockholm, next time you can say hello to Adam in Stockholm. I've never been to Stockholm myself, so probably I can come by sometime there. So the second speaker for today is Bharati. So Bharati is there right and manning the camera right now. He's organizing team for GTEC, Singapore GTEC as well. So there are 4 talks today. Now we just need to keep up with the time here because we have to vacate the venue latest by 12:45, and there are 4 talks, 3 talks by Adam and 1 talk by Bharati. So we are going to be covering Android 2.3, whatever is the new features. So if any of you have not seen Nexus S, we have a Nexus S, so it's Adam and Lichi. So you guys can take a look at Nexus S and maybe decide to buy one when it is available in Singapore later on. And we have a few Galaxy tags going around, so a few people volunteered to bring them, so feel free to approach them during the break. So we'll have 2 talks, a very, very short break because of the timing factors, and then 2 more talks, right? So this is about interactivity. So for people who are new to GTEC meetups, we have this particular rubber stamp here. We met at GTEC, so if you're exchanging name cards today, right, you can just use our stamp. So this actually will remind you where you got the name cards from. Right? So this is if you have a name card, but there are many people who are students, right? So we can't have a name card for that. So now there is another thing here. I think from the last meetup you know we are giving out free T-shirts, right? So there are 20 T-shirts to give out, but the catch is you must ask good questions to the speakers. So the speakers decide on their own terms, like whom to give out the T-shirts. So keep the simple questions out. Don't ask what is Android or who is Google. Okay? So about the talk. Right. So without much further ado, let me invite Adam to give the first talk on Android 2.0. Adam, please.